Hello, hi, my name is Amanda Russell, and I'm currently a student at GCU. I am enrolled in ELM 330, and this title of this video is Exploring Personal Virtues. So, virtues are positive characteristics, traits, and moral qualities that guide how a person thinks, behaves, and treats others. So, characters and virtues are important to creating an inclusion classroom because it shapes the teachers and how the students treat each other. It helps a student treat other students with respect. It helps them give them the confidence to do what is right and to feel safe and valued with other students. No matter the background, the culture, the abilities, students should experience an equal opportunity to succeed in their education. The concept of Imago Dei is that every person was created in the image of God. In education, it means that every student deserves to be treated with respect, compassion, fairness, regardless of who the student is. So, the virtue that I chose was civics. I chose this because it talks about creating a safe environment where every student is valued. Compassion is recognizing another person's feelings and struggles and needs and responding with kindness, empathy, and a genuine desire to help. Respect is treating others with fairness and consideration. Fairness is holding students to consistent expectation and recognizing the individual needs. Patience is remaining calm and understanding and self-control when facing challenges, delays, and difficult situations. The image of God as a concept of Christian belief is that people should treat each other with respect, no matter who they are, because we all are valued, have worth, and potential. Character formation is a process that develops virtues, habits, and behaviors and are implemented through instructions, modeling, reflection, and daily practice. So instead of just teaching about academics alone, teachers can help students develop some virtues such as compassion and fairness and having patience. One strategy that I would use in my classroom is reflection journals. So for reflection journals would be journals that will be placed in the student's personal area, where we would also be talking about respecting boundaries and people's personal space. So specifically, these journals would be for students at the end of the day to reflect what they have experienced throughout the day. It would be mainly about things about compassion and respect, and also talk about fairness and just reflecting on, did they see these qualities in someone in their classroom, or did they experience them themselves? And also just character building type of questions. A question that would be in the journals could be, what is one thing that you did to consider or to care for the well-being of others? They would answer the question, and they have a choice if they would like to share it or not, or just keep them to themselves, or have me look at them later on. These reflection journals are really good at getting the students to understand themselves and understand what's going on around them. And it also helps give me insight if what I am teaching to them about building their character and about virtues, if they're actually understanding that concept. So also too, another strategy that I would use is research from the Cannon Center of Character Education. This research talks about these things, and the framework encourages individuals to reflect on their own character and values and identify the personal strengths. It also talks about how to grow and tools that you can use to build those character strengths. Using the same framework to implement into my instruction and try to find activities that connect those character building skills. And also, I think it's important as a teacher to reflect in that character traits and developing habits and understanding the virtues myself.